Well, although it was a very windy weekend, I finally had a weekend when I could at least give it a shot to try to get out on the water. The day before, Saturday, I had trailered the boat to Matheson, and after getting some reports about how sloppy it was out on the bay, turned around and went back home. Sunday, when I first considered going back out, it was raining over the bay, but it cleared up. Went ahead and gave it a go. Figured if nothing else, I could just troll along the west coast of the bay, throw a couple lures out, maybe catch a trout or two, just to see what I could catch. So, with a Clark spoon on the ugly stick and a Hopkins spoon on the Taraz, trolling at 3 miles an hour at about 500 yards off the shoreline, I set out to see what I could catch. Well, this was the third blue runner that I caught for today. Nice little fighting fish for the size. No good for the table. They make excellent bait fish for larger species. No trout. Sure would have been nice to have one for the table. But it was a nice day out on the water. A little windy, but it was a nice day.